So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwas Saital. I hope you are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is design browser history. So what we have to do? We have to design a browser history. Okay. It's a medium problem. Let's give a like for this problem. The problem is saying you have a browser on one tab. So where you start on the home page and you can visit another URL, get back in the history number of the steps or move forward in the history number of steps. So what we have to do, we will be given we will be given a home page first, and then you can visit another URL, and here we can go back and we can go forward. So what are the function here? We can add a URL and we can go back and we can go forward. Let's see what are the implement we have to do. Here what we have to do, we have to create a method for browser history. In this, what we have to do, we have to give an input for home page, and here what we are doing, we are initializing the object with the home page of the browser. So we have here one function where we will initialize the object. I hope this is clear. And another function, we don't have to return anything. This is a void function. We don't have to return anything. So here we will be visiting a different URL. URL means, like, let's say we are in a Leetcode, we will go to Google or we will go to the YouTube. So like we have write google.com, that is called URL. Okay, I hope this is clear. And okay, this is we will create this method also. And another method, so here we have back and forward function. So we will create a back function, and in this case what we will do, we have to return a string here. We have to return a string. In here what we will do, move steps back in a history. So they will be given a steps here, how many steps we have to go back, and we have to return the whatever the string value we have, whatever the URL have which is stored here, we have to return it. And same thing, opposite thing, we have to do it for forward. In forward we have to move forward in the history. So what we have to do, we have to return the string here. So what we have to do, we have to create a for function. We have to create a for function or method, we can say. Let's understand this problem by solving this one. Okay, let's say, so what is the first method called out? It is a browser history. In browser history, we simply initialize the first URL. So what is the URL here? Leetcode.com. So whatever like .com, .in, anything will come, that is a URL. Okay, so what we'll do, we will simply create a stack here. We can create a stack, we can create an array list. So we will just simply create a stack here for more understanding, for clear understanding. Okay, so first is the Leetcode. So what we'll do here, we will go there in stack and we will add a Leetcode. Okay, we will add a Leetcode. Okay, after that, what is the another function? In another function, after Leetcode, this guy, let's say we will have a guy here. Okay, he will first solve the Leetcode problem. Then what he will do, he will go to visit Google. Okay, what he will do, he will again go and visit Google. So here what we have to do, he visited Google. So what we have to do, we have to store here Google. Okay, and we will call this guy as Rahul. Okay, we will call this guy as a Rahul. Okay, and what is the another? After visiting google.com, he said, I want to go to the Facebook. So he want to see his friends. So what he will do, he will visit Facebook. So he will visit a Facebook. So what we will do, we will just add Facebook. Okay, we'll just add Facebook. So still here, and another so after Facebook, now he says, I want to watch youtube.com. He want to watch Vishwas Saital's video. So he will go to the youtube.com to watch my Vishwas Saital's video. Okay, so what he will do, he will go to the YouTube next. He will visit YouTube. Okay, after visiting YouTube, now So till here we used only two method. What are the method here? We used browser history and a visit here. Still we have to use back and forward, and we will use here back. So here it's a back here. So how many times we have to go back? We have to go back one time. So we have to go back one time. Now Rahul is here. Rahul at current watching my videos in YouTube. Okay. Okay, so what he will do, he will go back one step. So he will go back at one step. Now he is again at Facebook. So what does Rahul say? Oh, I have to tell my fans to watch my videos. That's why he is going to the Facebook to tell his friends to watch my videos. Okay, so how many steps he will go back, and we have to do what we have to do. In this case we have to return also. What we'll do, we'll just return Facebook. Okay, we will just return Facebook, and after doing that he'll say I will have to again go to I will again go back. So what he will do, I will again go back to search what I was doing back. So here he was searching in Google. So what do you have to do? I have to go here and I have to pull out Google. I have to give Google here. Now where is Rahul? Right now Rahul is here. Where is Rahul? Rahul is here. Rahul is at Google. Okay, Rahul is at Google. So now next case is forward. So now what we have to do? We have to see like we do have like this arrow, right? In our browser we do have these two arrows in the browser. Now what he will do? He will click one time here. He will click only one time forward. So now he was in Google. He will again go to the Facebook. He is again in the Facebook. I hope this is clear. Okay, so now he will return Facebook, Google, Facebook. Okay, do we get here Facebook, Google, Facebook? Okay, yeah, we are getting here Facebook, Google, Facebook. Okay, so what we did, we have finished till here. And here what he will do, here he will go, and here he will again visit LinkedIn. Then where is now Rahul? Rahul is at now Facebook. So now Rahul is at Facebook. Okay, now here Rahul is at Facebook. Now what he will do? Now he will say I will visit linkedin.com. So now LinkedIn will be added here, or it will be replacing this guy, YouTube guy. It will be replacing this guy, or it will be added here. Here right now Rahul is here. So what he will do? He have to replace YouTube to the linkedin.com, because Rahul is here. Now he is going to the another visit. So we will replace this. Yes, LinkedIn. I hope this is clear what I did here. Okay, bye, because Rahul was here. So we will write linkedin.com. So now we finished till here. Now here we are moving forward two times. So here he is he is forwarding two times, and we don't have anything here, So what we do here, we have to if we go forward also, we will be simply going LinkedIn. We have to simply go, like if we go forward here, so let's say here we are going, if we keep two times here also, if I click here, let's zoom in. I can zoom in. Yeah, no, I can't zoom in this one. So if I click here two times, it will show at the topmost. So in the topmost, what is the LinkedIn? What is the object here? URL, it is the LinkedIn. So what you have to do? We have to give a LinkedIn as a output. Okay, and next is two times back. So right now where is Rahul here? So Rahul is here at where? Rahul is here. Let's draw a bit more clear, make it more clear here. Right now Rahul is here. Now he will go two times backside. So he will go to the Facebook first, then he will go to the Google. So what will be the output here? It will be Google. Okay. Now what is the another function? Back. How many times? 7 times. So if you go to the last, what is the last object here? The last object is Leetcode. So it is a home page, browser history. So we'll go to the last object. We can't go 7 times. So if we click back, at some times it will show some like no error. So it will show like if you go back here. So sometimes it will show like a dull face. So it can't go further back. So we'll return the exiting here leetcode.com. Okay, so here also we got a Leetcode, Google and LinkedIn. I hope this is clear. So let's do this as in coding, like write in the coding. So for this case, what we'll do here, we will use a linked list. What we'll do, we will use a linked list. Let's rub this here, make it more clear. Okay, let's rubbing this. We'll use LinkedIn here. So first what we'll do, we will just create a linked list. I don't want this big. Okay. So list, and what will be the output here? What we have to do, we have to return in the string. So I will initialize my array list as a string only. So we will solve this by array list. Okay, so I will call this as list, and I will have total. How many total numbers do I have? We initialize as 0, and where am I? So I have to check, right, where the Rahul was here. So where the Rahul was here, in this case where the Rahul was here. So I have to check also. So I will have to keep track of current also. Okay, I hope this is clear. So first what we will do, we will just initialize the home page. So list equal to new, what we'll do, array list, and we will have a string here. We don't want anything, so we will create a string only. And what we do, we have to just add the home page. We have to just add the home page. So page. Okay, so what we did, we just created a browser history when we just added a home page. Just clear this. We just created a browser history and we just added a home what are the home page history. And what we'll do, we will just say total plus plus. So we just added something. So current plus plus. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now what we have to do, we have to visit also. We have to see the visit also. What we'll do, we will just say here, we will come back, this some adjustment also we will do, but we will just simply write here list dot add URL. Okay, and here back. So if we go back here, if I say back side, if I want to go back side, how many times I can go back here? It will be steps also, and I have to have a limit also. I see if I have a Leetcode here and Google and Facebook and YouTube. So I can't like some here in this case, if they say I have to type 7 times back function, so I can't go further from Leetcode. The Leetcode is a minimum, like a bare minimum. I have to be in a browser history. So what I will do, I will just create math for tackling that solution. What I will do here, I will create current equal to math dot max 1, and whichever is a maximum, if 1 is a maximum, or current minus steps. So right now Rahul was here, let's assume Rahul was at step 3. So minus 7 or 1, whichever is a maximum, we will give our output from this. I hope this is clear what I am doing here. Okay, so what we have to do, just return list dot get current minus 1. So here why minus 1? Because it starts index start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to do minus 1. I hope this is also clear. Same thing we will do for maximum. Let's assume Rahul is at Leetcode and he typed 7 times forward button. he types 7 times forward button, but at end he can only reach at linked list linked.com. so what we will do, we will create a minimum function. So at max, what at minimum, whatever he can max dot minimum, whichever is minimum, that we have to give a output. So total, we have a total number of URL. Just assume I typed 8 times this one, but here the total is only 4. I have only 4 URL, like Leetcode, Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and I typed 4 times 8. So whichever is the minimum here, that I will give a output. In this case 4 was the minimum, I will give a LinkedIn as a output. Okay, so we will say current plus here plus steps. Okay, at last what we do, we have to return forward, not forward, sorry, here what I was doing, list dot get current, same thing, -1, because I wanted a index for it. So this is a function is right. See here what we did here, what we did here, we, let's say we added Leetcode. I just slide earlier for easy, Google here, and we have Facebook, and we have YouTube. And what after doing that, he went back and forward. Right now Rahul is at here, Rahul is here. So now what he will do, he will visit LinkedIn. So what I have to do, I have to replace YouTube to the LinkedIn. I have to replace YouTube to the LinkedIn. For that, what I will do, I will use if loop. If list dot size is less than the current value, then what do we have to do? We have to set. What we have to do? We have to set current to the URL. Sorry, URL. So what I did here, so set will be the this one. Whatever the current value will be, that it will be replaced by URL. So in this case, YouTube will be replaced by LinkedIn. I hope I am clear. Else, if that's a not case, if the both are equal, what we will do, we will just add the URL. Okay, and now what we will do, we have to say current plus plus, and the now total will be equal to current. Simple. Let's see if we have some error or not. This is the design for our browser history. So now as you can see, it is getting accepted. It's getting accepted, and let's submit and see how many percent it's beating. It's beating 54%, and it's quite easy also if you understand the flow. And if you didn't understand anything regarding this problem, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please give a like, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. It will be great help. Thank you for watching. Keep coding. Chalo, bye.